Hello guys and welcome. Are you wondering how to remove your account in Chatgpt? Well, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the simple steps to remove your account and ensure your data privacy. So let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Chatgpt account. Firstly, you need to log into your Chatgpt account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once you are logged in, click on the settings below located in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings and then select Delete Account. In the Account Settings page, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Delete Account button. Provide reasons for deleting your account. You will be redirected then to a new page where you will be asked to provide a reason for deleting your account. Select an appropriate reason from the drop-down menu, confirm your decision, and then click on Yes, delete permanently my account, which is I want to delete my account button to confirm. Congratulations, you have successfully removed your account from Chatgpt. Remember, once you delete your account, all your data, messages, and conversations will be permanently deleted and cannot be retrieved. So make sure you have backed up all the necessary data before deleting your account, or saved your data in an HTML file. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and useful. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below, and see you soon.